Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, understand that true learning goes beyond simple memorization. Many traditional methods, like basic active recall or spaced repetition, are often misunderstood and can be inefficient if used in isolation. We'll explore a more comprehensive approach that focuses on deeper understanding and building strong connections between concepts. This guide will help you transform your learning process, making it more effective and less time-consuming. Get ready to unlock your full learning potential. Effective learning emphasizes deep processing, which means understanding how information connects, rather than just memorizing isolated facts. While active recall and spaced repetition have their place, they are most powerful when combined with strong initial encoding. Think about the why and how of concepts, building a mental framework. This approach helps your brain retain information much more efficiently, reducing the need for endless repetitions. Strategic note-taking and priming are crucial. Instead of linear notes, try mind mapping to visualize relationships and organize ideas effectively. Before diving deep, prime your brain by collecting keywords and forming hypotheses about how topics connect. This creates a mental scaffold. Then, simplify complex information into core ideas and group-related concepts. This active processing builds robust mental schemas, making new information easier to integrate and recall. To solidify your learning, actively engage with the material. Interleave different study techniques, like creating your own practice questions or teaching a concept to someone else. Constantly evaluate your understanding by asking yourself challenging questions, not just recalling facts. Apply your knowledge to new scenarios and problems. This active application and reflection are vital for transforming information into deeply embedded, usable knowledge, ensuring long-term mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.